Every big progress of human civilization is because we find new ways to use force. Look into the human history, the search of new way of using force never stops. Nowadays, we are standing on the most dedicated and powerful magnet electronic world. We are creating completely new history. We are ETONM Motor. Since 2010, we have got the key for electronic magnet gear transmission technologies. We are ready to drive the world smarter and smarter. Located in Dongguan, ETONM is 2 kilometers to Shenzhen, 20 kilometers to Hong Kong, connecting the entire world. For nearly 20 years, ETONM has been doing only one thing: R&D DC motor and gearbox. We put all our energy and time to offer reliable motor and gear solutions for smart homes, consumer electronics, robotics, smart healthcare, industrial automations. Innovation is always in our blood and breath. Technicians are our key wealth. Keep reaching and developing. We have turned so many impossibilities into reliable solutions. With 20 years continuous innovations and explorings, ETONM has achieved a series of patents on different gearbox designs and motor solutions. Innovations, curiosity, and exploring have been melted into our blood flow. ETONM is not only offering motors for automations, but also innovate and apply more and more automations into its own productions and inspections. Beside automations, we are also offer flexible customizations. It is always what we are keep doing, no matter it is for 1,000 motors or 1,000,000. We keep improving the manufacturers and inspection techniques, bring different automations into all possible corners. Modern lab and senior engineers team. Automatic productions and inspections ensure top quality for our customers. Innovations, automations, customizations, and constantly reliabilities bring us lots of good partners. Now ETONM is a reliable partner of many famous brands all over the world. Keep innovations, keep automation, and keep customization. ETONM is going to offer more and more contributions to the smart life of human being. Let's start from China. Connect the whole world with just a mini motor and a tiny gear.